Alright everyone, my last video ran out of memory, so I'm gonna have to pick up from where I left off. So I was discussing here this reference angle, and one thing that I should mention is that this angle actually tells us which direction the vector is going, but we don't want to use this angle because it's negative. We want to use the positive angle that has the same terminal side, or that is the same as this angle. So that's why we call it a reference angle. So don't think that, if in case you're wondering why I'm calling it a reference angle, if you don't want to think about that, just know that we don't want to use this one because it's a negative angle. We want to use a positive one, which is this one in blue. So to find that one, we're just going to have to subtract this one from 360, because if you notice, together they make 360 degrees. But if I subtract the red one here, which is this, from 360, then I'll just have this left over. So that's going to give me the angle that I do need, which is going to be our positive angle. So notice that right here, this tells us pretty much that the terminal point of this vector is going to be at 3, -4. Remember that I told you that this works as a slope or as a coordinate. So this one right here is going to be at 3, -4. And if we subtract now this from, or add it to 360, which is going to be, so it's going to be 360 minus 53.13. That ends up leaving us with 306.87. Alright, so that's actually what this blue angle is here. So this blue angle here is actually 306.87. Now that's the one that we want to use for our answer. So our angle is actually 306.87. What's going to help you is just noticing where the vector is going, and that'll help you determine what the angle is that you want to use, because sometimes you'll get a negative angle, but we don't want to use it